Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video here in SITEWORKS regarding the information panel. So all the information you guys have up here when you're out in the field. Me personally, I've gotten a lot of questions from other foremans, anybody out in the field on how to get information up here that isn't already there. This might seem a little old to a lot of guys, but I've been getting asked quite a bit lately, so here we go. The biggest thing is the surface offset right here. So a lot of the times it'll look like this. Yeah, it won't be there. So in order to even do a surface offset, if you have to, which I know for me, it's quite often, you'd have to go into here. You'd have to go into settings and you'd have to find surface settings. And that would give you your offset here. And you'd have to do that every time. And if I'm not mistaken, if we did this, except it doesn't show it anywhere. So right now I'm 5 foot below my design surface and it doesn't show it anywhere, and for me, it could be really confusing. And it's how mistakes happen. So to fix that, we're going to go here. We're going to go to settings, information bar / panel. And this right here is your top panel, bottom panel, and the hidden panel. And we're gonna, top bar. Information panel would be the left side of the screen. We're worried about the bar right now. And right now we have our northing, easting elevation, design elevation, cut, fills, and antenna height selected. So we'll just scroll down here and we'll look for surface offset right here. We'll click that, hit accept, and there it is. And now, instead of going through, this menu to get back to it, just hit that, boom, there you have it. Just go back to 0, hit accept, and there we are. Now it shows you're right at your design surface elevation. Thanks, guys.